Imagine transforming your laptop into a powerful workstation instantly. Meet the TobenONE 15-in-1 USB-C docking station, your gateway to seamless productivity. Are you juggling multiple adapters and limited ports on your laptop? Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience. With the TobenONE Docking Station, expand your laptop's capabilities with 15 versatile ports, all through a single, sleek device. Connect dual 4K monitors via HDMI and DisplayPort for crystal-clear visuals and an expansive workspace. Whether you're a creative professional, a programmer, or a multitasker, enjoy the freedom to see more and do more. Powering up has never been easier. Equipped with a robust 150 watts power adapter, the docking station delivers up to 100 watts of power to your laptop while providing 15 watts to other connected devices. Work uninterrupted without worrying about battery life. Need speed? Transfer data in a flash with USB-A and USB-C ports supporting up to 10 Gbps. Access your photos and videos instantly with built-in SD and TF card slots. Stay connected with a stable Gigabit Ethernet port for high-speed internet, and plug in your favorite headphones or speakers using the 3.5mm audio jack. It's everything you need, right at your fingertips. Imagine a clutter-free desk where all your devices are connected effortlessly. No more tangled cables or constant plugging and unplugging. The TobenONE Docking Station not only streamlines your workspace, but elevates your efficiency. Compatible with both Mac and Windows USB-C laptops, including MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Dell XPS, HP Spectre, and Lenovo ThinkPad, it's the perfect companion for your device. Plus, it's plug and play, so you can dive into work without any tedious setups or driver installations. Think about the time you'll save and the convenience you'll gain. From enhanced video editing to smoother multitasking, the TobenONE Docking Station empowers you to achieve more. Why settle for limitations when you can unlock your laptop's full potential? Click the link in the video description and the first pinned comment to get your TobenONE 15-in-1 USB-C docking station now. Join thousands who have revolutionized their work experience. Don't miss out on this opportunity to amplify your productivity, elevate your workspace, enhance your capabilities, and embrace the future of connectivity with the TobenONE USB-C docking station. Order today and step into a world where possibilities are endless. Click the link in the video description and the first pinned comment to get your TobenONE 15-in-1 USB-C docking station now.